Welcome to Let's Move Indonesia, the most trusted agency since 2016. We are excited to introduce our new global visa services to help you navigate the world with ease. Before you travel, it's essential to understand the different types of visas available. There are tourist visas, business visas, student visas, work visas, transit visas, electronic visas, and visa on arrival. Before applying for a visa, make sure you have the following documents ready. The first one is the valid passport, second one is ID and proof of age, the third one proof of financial means, the fourth is travel insurance, and the last one is visa application form. Well guys, when you choose the right visa, remember to first, check the purpose of your visit so you can ensure that you choose a visa that aligns with your travel plan. The second one is verify the required documents. The third one is research visa requirements. The fourth one, plan ahead. And the last one is consult with a visa expert. If you are unsure about the visa process, consult with a trusted visa agency like Let's Move Indonesia. At Let's Move Indonesia, we understand the importance of choosing the right visa for your travel plans. Our global visa services are designed to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. We can help people get their visa to Australia, China, Dubai, Indonesia, Japan, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, Schengen, South Korea, Taiwan, and the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching and happy travels!